Today, I purchased something that I've never bought before in my life. It was a little weird, but I needed it for the video. Cigarettes. Now, I did a little bit of research, and what I found out is that about 17% of adults in the United States are smokers. And I also found out that that number in Germany is closer to 25%. Now, this is something that I noticed last year when I first got to Germany. I'm a little bit more used to it now, but when I first got to Germany, I was a bit shocked at how much cigarette smoking I saw, especially with younger people. You see a lot of younger people smoking cigarettes, teenagers that are about 15 or so years old. And it was pretty surprising coming from America to see that. Now, on the cigarette packaging here, there are pretty shocking images that show people sick or having diseases and other negative side effects from smoking cigarettes. And those are smacked right on the package. So when you go to buy them, you see that, and that's supposed to be a deterrent for buying cigarettes. But you also see advertisements for cigarettes, which you don't see in the United States, I think, at all. I don't think you're allowed to advertise for cigarettes in the US anymore. You used to be able to, but for the most part, cigarette advertising in the US now is very, very limited and regulated. Another pretty shocking thing is these vending machines that sell cigarettes, like the one that I used this morning to buy that pack. But that's pretty shocking to see those everywhere. My question to you, German people, is what are your thoughts and feelings about cigarettes, cigarette smoking, and the ability to advertise for cigarettes? Because in the States, it's so much more censored and limited with the advertisement and the availability. And so this is something that I've been pretty curious about, and now I feel comfortable enough with you guys to be able to ask you about it. And I hope this doesn't come across as judgmental in any way, because us in the States, we've got plenty of our own issues. But I am seriously, genuinely curious on what people think about them here in Germany. Alright, so let me know your thoughts on this topic. I'm really, really curious. Thank you for your answers in advance, and thank you for watching.